Hello students, welcome back to our class. Uh, Yesterday we have done revision for online test. I hope you have all seen the video and you are prepared for the test. Today we are going to continue with the class, that is we have stopped in page number 44. Word problems number 1, number 2 and number 3 we have done earlier. Then today we are going to continue with number 4, 5 and 6. Okay children? So you have to write it in the textbook. So be ready with your pencil, eraser and all children. Okay? So ready? Now let me read out the question for you. Okay? So this is, there are 7 cups on the table. Okay? So how many cups are there? 4 here and 3 broken, isn't it? So 3 cups broke. Alright? So there are 7 cups on the table, 3 cups broke. So how many cups are left on the table? So whenever something gets broken, that means that thing became less with you. Or when you give something to somebody, then also the things in your hand becomes less. When you eat something, it becomes less. Okay? So when the things become less, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. Right? So here 7 cups were there on the table. Out of that 3 cups were broken. Now how many are left? So already it is shown the picture. We can count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 cups are left, isn't it? So in this question, the answer will be what? 4. Okay, 4 cups. And after writing this, you have to write like this here, is equal to 4 cups. Okay, how many cups? That means 4 cups are left. Okay, children. So this one, you have to write it like this in your textbook itself. No need to go for your copy. Okay. So now let us go to the next question. Okay children, I hope you understood this one very nicely. Then we shall proceed to the next question. The next question is, there were 9 pears with the fruit seller. Okay. There were 9 pears with the fruit seller. 3 pears were rotten and thrown away. Alright? How many pears are left? Okay, children, do you know what is the meaning of rotten? Rotten means becoming bad. Okay, cannot be eaten. Okay, spoiled fruit. Understand? Rotten means which cannot be eaten, which has become spoiled. That's why the shopkeeper has thrown it away. Alright children. So there were 9 pears with the fruit seller. Okay, these are the pears. See, in this basket you can see how many? Yeah, 9 pears. Okay. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pears you can see, isn't it? And here you can see 3 pears. These 3 pears are not looking as fresh, isn't it? Because these pears are rotten. Okay. So, out of 9 pears, 3 pears are rotten. So, how many are left? So, you have to count the good ones. Okay. How many are there? Good ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? That means what? If you got 6, it means what? It means that 9 minus 3 is how much? 6. Okay? That means 6 pears are good. Okay? So you have to write here is equal to 6. What is the thing, that one? What is the name of the fruit? Pear, isn't it? So you have to write here 6 pears. Okay children? Okay. I hope you understood this question also. Now in the same way, we will be doing one more question, that is, and you have to write it in a textbook, okay children? Now this is the last question today we will be doing. This is what? Rima. Okay. Rima bought 5 hair clips. Alright. Now she gave 3 to her sister. How many clips are left with Rima? Okay. So Rima is the name of this girl. Okay. This is the name. This is the name. This is Rima. Her. Okay. This girl's name is Rima, and her sister's. This is her sister. Okay. So she brought how many clips? She bought 5 clips from the market. Right. And then what she did do? She gave 3 clips to her little sister. Okay. So how many clips are left with Rima? When you give something to somebody, the things in your hand becomes more or less. Yes, the things become less with you. So in that case, what we are going to do when something becomes less with you, what you do usually? We do minus. Okay. So when we do the minus, we are going to get the answer. So children, let us do the minus here. Alright. Okay. So 5 minus 3 will be how much? Very good. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay. 2 clips are left with Rima. So what we will write here, children? We will write here is equal to 2 clips. Okay. C-L-I-P-S. Clips. Alright students, you have to write like this. Okay. Now, this is the only these 3 questions today I have taken for you. Okay. So, this Saturday you will be having before the test. This is the last class we are going to have. Okay. So, prepare nicely for the test. Okay children. And give the test very nicely, as these marks are to be added to your exam. Okay. So children, best of luck. I wind up my class here. Thank you so much children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.